off the camera dead. Oh, now it's fine. It's not too late. Are we putting those in the?
No, just.
Oh God, this is gonna be bad.
Okay. Good.
You just missed it. There's huge lightning. I got it on tape. So what is this? Thunderstorm, tornado, or hurricane? Look at that. Look at those clouds. It is like 8:30, and it is about to get real. All right. Oh yeah, the winds are coming. It's just a matter of time before this hits us. Hey guys, it's me again. A big stroke of lightning just went across the whole sky, and it was just thundering, and I went to get my phone, and I was just about to record, and guess what? My phone couldn't record. So, I'm gonna see if I can catch any lightning or thunder on here, because I don't know if the storm passed over. It's not raining. It's very quiet now after that last thunder and lightning that I saw. It went across from like watch my finger, went from there all the way to the other side. The whole sky lit up, and there was huge thunder. Like I've never. Oh shit! Oh yeah. Okay. I think it's better off if I stay. Oh, that last one scared the crap out of me. Like I was standing outside in the mid of my sentence. I've never. Oh shit! You gotta see my face. I ran inside my house so much. Well, I'm about to show you. I'm actually about to go back out there again to show you guys. Yeah, it was just lightning, thundering. Back.
If you come around here, I'll make 'em all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me